Homeowners in flood-ravaged communities are bracing to be hit again, not by Mother Nature this time, but by Uncle Sam. Jennifer Lukey joins us live now. She's in the newsroom. And Jen, many of the folks in flood zones around here were hit hard during Irene. How are they going to handle this one?
Well, they're worried, Jerry. Many of them are only now getting back to some sense of normalcy following Irene. Their homes and businesses were destroyed. They've been under a lot of stress. Many of those who had insurance didn't have enough of it. Some didn't have any at all. They've already been through financial times that have been very tough, and an increase in their premiums will only make things worse.
Annie Young had flood insurance when Irene tore through Schoharie, and it's likely the only reason she's been able to recover.
I do daycare here besides. I wouldn't have been able to be back here. I had to get back for the kids.
Her premiums are already high, and over the next few years, they're going to skyrocket.
It's going to push some of us who won't be able to afford it. Myself, and like I said, I'm a single parent. I mean, I'm doing what I can.
Lenders normally require flood insurance for those with a mortgage who live in a flood zone. Congress says the flood insurance program must at least pay for itself. And with so many natural disasters, Irene, Sandy, the money is running out.
I just don't ever want to go through that financial loss ever again. It was heart-wrenching, wondering how you were going to, move forward.
Leslie Price has rebuilt her business and just recently moved out of a FEMA trailer and back into her own place. And she did it all without the help of flood insurance. But she's learned her lesson.
I will have flood insurance. If it means I have to work 7 days a week, you got to do what you have to do. It's small business. It's the way of the world.
That's the attitude most people have around here, but there's only so much you can take. Most of them depleted their savings rebuilding, and to have to keep digging deeper won't be easy.
Now, the head of FEMA said the increases will be phased in over the next 3 or 4 years. If you are required to or you want to have flood insurance, be sure to check with your agent soon about your policy, Jerry.
Jen, how much more are we talking, though?
Well, Jerry, the head of FEMA said that people who are paying hundreds of dollars right now will be paying thousands of dollars by the time all is said and done. He didn't give a specific percentage yet, as that's all still being worked out, but it will obviously be very significant and very hard for people to come up with.
All right, Jim, appreciate keeping us on top of that.